Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair narrates that Hazrat Osama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu told him that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted an ass that was saddled and on which there was fadak sheet, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted Hazrat Osama behind him, went to inquire after the health of Hazrat Saad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu, and it happened prior to the battle of Badr. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam was proceeding and passed by a gathering where therein was Abdullah bin Ubay Salul, and it was prior to his apparently embracing Islam. The meeting comprised the Muslims, the polytheists, the idol worshippers, the Jews, and Hazrat Abdullah bin Rawaha was also joining that meeting. When the cloud of dust risen by the mount landed over the meeting, Abdullah bin Ubay covered his nose with the chadur and said, "Do not rise dust to us." The Prophet ﷺ greeted, stopped there, dismounted from the mount, invited them to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and recited the Quran to them. Abdullah bin Ubay thereupon said, "O men, it is extremely good what you are saying. If it is right, do not tease us thereby in our meeting. Go back home and tell him these tales who comes to you." Hazrat ibn Rawaha radiyallahu anhu whereupon submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you may pay visits to our gathering as we like these instructions." Thereupon there occurred an altercation amongst the Muslims, the polytheists, and the Jews, and they were about to assault one another, but the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam coaxed them in observing silence, and then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted the beast and reached Hazrat Saad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu and said to him, "O Saad, have you heard what Abu Hubab Abdullah bin Ubay has said?" Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, pardon him and excuse him, for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has bestowed on you what He Jalla Jalaluhu has bestowed on you. Made you the blessing of the worlds. In fact, the residents of this city wished to make him their chief by crowning him, but when it did not happen, due to the status Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has granted you, He has started doing such things as you have witnessed." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5663.